Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 1 of the Switzerland series and I'm in Basel. And in this video, we're going to be exploring the city of Basel at night. This is Marktplatz, the main square here in Basel. It's always busy, full of trams, shops and cafes, basically where everything happens in the city in the morning. This entire place just looks like a Renaissance painting. Inside, it's honestly stunning. Every wall is covered with beautiful paintings. It almost feels like you're walking into a storybook. You can really tell how much history is packed into this place. And this statue right here represents the rulers who once governed the region. The whole space feels like an architectural time capsule. There is one advantage of visiting this place at night because there's literally no one here and you can have the entire place to yourself. That place had a lot of history and a lot of amazing paintings as well, so definitely if you're in Basel, do not miss out on visiting the marketplace. Then I went for a walk through the city. Basel has this cozy small town feel even though it's one of Switzerland's biggest cities. It's not even November yet and the Christmas decorations are already out in Basel. But honestly, I love how early they go all out for Christmas here. All the lights, ornaments and pop-up stalls just to make it feel so festive. Every corner had something that made me stop for a photo. It's such a pretty city to explore on foot. It's super calm too. No rush, no noise and just people going about their day. Honestly, such a nice place after busy Amsterdam. And I love how the streets here feel so lived in. Colorful buildings, cobblestone paths, and these random little courtyards you stumble into without planning anything. Basel at night honestly feels so peaceful. The streets are almost empty, just soft lights and quiet corners everywhere. And it almost feels like I have the entire city to myself. Then I found this water fountain surrounded by some really cool painted walls. Switzerland has one of the cleanest water in Europe and you can literally fill your water bottle anywhere in the city. Pro tip, don't buy your water bottles here, just refill at these fountains and save your money for something better, like Swiss chocolates. I thought this painting was about the history of water in Basel, but that actually is an execution scene. And right before calling it a day, I ended up at the Spalentor, one of the remaining medieval gates. It's massive and somehow it still looks perfect. That's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Unfortunately, we couldn't cover much today in Basel. However, we still have a lot planned for the next couple of days. Please subscribe to my channel to watch rest of the series. Cheers guys.